Is this true? What do you think? I released this video yesterday. It's quite short. And there's some comments that are pretty interesting. So this is the one in the thumbnail. This is only good for subpar typers. Extremely fast typers will suffer from rolling even when the keys are on different halves. We also have this other comment here by Alistair Quinn. I don't know. My experience was that this replaced my false negatives with false positives. It was annoying before when a modifier didn't activate because the tapping term hadn't expired, but it was just as annoying accidentally activating modifiers by rolling onto the next key. F and J were my shift keys, and instead of or, I would always type or. So he ended up moving shift and control off of the Homerow mods and just keeping command and option there. For Homerow mods to be effective, it requires typing discipline that I do not contain. I did notice this issue. I was typing uppercase letters on my Windows computer, but the timings there are different. Let's give it a try. Let's just test and see what happens, because these guys may have a point. I'm not exactly sure if this is true or not. Let's just run a couple typing tests and let's see what happens. I'm just going to bring up here Monkeytype. Let's do it there. I'm not a fast typer. I type below 100 usually. So let's see if I'm able to achieve that now. That one sucked. I made a lot of mistakes. Let me relax a little bit because you get nervous when you do this in public. Let's refresh the page and let's try it again. That's even freaking worse. Let's try it again. $99. I think that's the best I'll be able to do, because when you're doing these type of tests, it sucks. You get nervous, you don't type well. But I'm usually around 90 to 110, I would guess. So personally, this has not affected me. But let's take a look at the documentation on the GitHub page, the urob GitHub page. Alright, so this is the website. Let's see if there's something about rolling keys here. There's this section here. When rolling keys, I sometimes unintentionally end up with nested key sequences. Because of the balanced flavor, this would falsely register key 1 as a mod. As a remedy, I use ZMK's positional hold tap feature to force HRMs to always resolve as tap when the next key is on the same side of the keyboard. Problem solved. Okay, so this is when you're rolling keys on the same side of the keyboard. And okay, this is fixed with this. I didn't have this problem. Let's see if we find something else here in this repo. One common concern about overloading the layout with combos is that they lead to misfires. Fortunately, the above mentioned require prior idle milliseconds option also works for combos, which in my experience all but completely eliminates misfires, even when rolling keys on the Homerow. Okay, so could this be what fixed the issue for me? Let's see if there's something else. No, that's it. Those are the only 3 matches that we have for rolling keys. We have this here. Oh no, but this is for scroll, not related. So require prior idle milliseconds and the positional hold tap. Let's take a look at that in my config. Okay, so again, this is my repo. If we go to commits, this is the change that I made right here. Timeless Homerow Mods. And he was talking about this require prior idle millisecond. So let's just search for this in the change that I performed. You search it right there, 150 milliseconds. Could this be the thing that fixed it for me? Not exactly sure, but I'm not having false positives at the moment or any sort of issues. But like I said, I did notice false positive when I was on Windows. But on Windows, I switched this to 200 milliseconds because Windows is really laggy and I work inside a virtual machine inside the Windows computer. So I don't know, maybe it is because of this. Notice that it said here 200, 150 here, 200 this here. But on the Mac layer, I have 300 here, 300, 150. We also have balanced here. And on Windows, we also have balanced. But I did experience this exact issue on Windows. I was typing a lot of uppercase letters, but I assume it's because of timings. I'm not sure. Or maybe I'm just a slow typer, you know? This does not affect people that type below 100. If you type above 140 or something, I guess you won't have issues. There is no way for me to test because I cannot go over 100 reliably, but I would like to know what your experience is in the comments. Let me know.